We're gonna do an oil change on the Skyline, and people always complain and say that the stock filter is hard to get to. It's easy. Just from the top. Mine's loose now. You want to get one of these. Makes it simple to get the filter off. So I noticed a couple things. I got a split axle boot, front right, so I need to replace that. And then I have a small leak from this line right here. This one. It leaks up there, the return to the reservoir. So I have a small power steering leak and a right axle I need to replace. Alright, the oil change is done. I'm going to put the stock airbox back on and try to get to the power steering leak. I'm going to go back to the stock intake box. Should be pretty easy. And there it is. Except this clip right here is popping off. I need to bend it back, but it doesn't seem to be leaking right now. The reason why I did it is there's no way that these ends intakes weren't sucking up hot air, and plus they're just nasty. So. And I just tightened up the power steering hose, and it seems to be holding right now, but I'm sure it'll start leaking again. So, but yeah, maintenance day on the Skyline. Cut the Skyline back. Wasn't able to get everything done just between customer cars and having to run back and forth between Nissan because they gave me the wrong air filter, and then they didn't have it in stock, so I had to go to auto parts store to find it. But we got the factory airbox back on and some Royal Purple 10W30 synthetic oil in it right now. Still need to get the rotors done. And I tightened up the return line for the power steering, so we'll see if it's still leaking. Fingers crossed. I really doubt that just fixed it, but we'll see. So, later.